So in this Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add a 2D chart to your Pages document here on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up, go to the top bar in the top right and press on the purple box. For me, you're on the Discover page, so at the top right here, just slide this to the right, and you want to press the second last option here to where it says Tables and Charts. And where it says 2D charts at the top, press that. There's a bunch of different options you guys can select in regards to 2D charts as well as the color scheme. So you can kind of scroll down, see whatever you want to do. So if you wanted to add this purple and pink chart right here, we can go ahead and add a pie chart just like this. You can go ahead and actually edit some different stuff as well. Do what you got to do. You can go ahead and edit the data right here, so you can go ahead, type in whatever you want to do. And yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add a 2D chart here on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.